Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 71 of learning English. Congress and AAP are negotiating a pact for Haryana polls, with the two parties confirming talks have already taken place, and if an arrangement is hammered out, a deal may be clinched in a couple of days. It reverses the earlier sentence of India, alleging that their Lok Sabha partnership should not extend to assembly polls in Haryana or Delhi. AAP's sources said Congress General Secretary C.V. Venugopal and AAP MP Raghav Chadha have discussed the 19 Ginix hour to around, adding that AAP has sought 10 sets while Congress is willing to cede 7. According to sources, the two parties are confident of a pact, and the discuss is around the specific constituencies that AAP is seeking, which is different from the list of sets that Congress is offering. The tie-up hinges on a reconciliations on these sets, while Haryana Congress has been opposed to any alliances. Source said Rahul Gandhi, the party in the directions of Colombia and India. Cecil Kapoor, former president of Atlas Cycle, was found dead at Lutyens' Delhi home on Tuesday. He is spotted to have died by suicide, shooting himself with a revolver, police said, adding that a note was recovered from the spot. The 65-year-old was discovered laying in a pool of blood near a puja of his three-storehouse in Dr. J.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Family members rushed him to AIIMS, where he was declared brought dead. Source side of suicide note mentioned Kapoor was facing mental harassment. He was facing 7 financial difficulties, was heavily in debt, a senior officer said. A 15-year-old boy killed a Preet Vihar shopkeeper he told responsible for his mother's death by electrocution 2 months ago. The boy and his mother used to work at the victim's Nomo shop. The boy was tracked within 3 hours of the stabbing on Monday.